Good day, guys. Welcome back. So let's take a look at GBP card for the week. So if you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So let's start with the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame, down to our 4-hour time frame. So we can clearly see that this on the monthly time frame, right? So you can see that this here is actually a key level, right? Anytime we see price comes to the same level, we tend to have a rejection, right? We see price drop to the same level, then price rejected, it went up, came to the same level again. We saw price reacted by rejecting here, went up, and again price dropped to the same level. We saw this price reacted and rejected, went up. Now this price have dropped to the same level. We even broke below it, and now price actually have gone up. So one of the reasons why we are having a bullish move on this GBP card is that we are having a bearish move on card. I mean, when you take a look at your card pairs, be it your card Swiss franc, you see that there's a bearish move, right? When you take a look at your euro card, you see that euro is going bullish compared to the card. When you take a look at this GBP card, you can clearly see that this is a bullish move. So I mean, basically, card is actually dropping. So that is to tell you that any other pairs you will be trading to your card should definitely give you a bullish move. So card will be dropping. Why, if you are trading GBP to card, then you should expect a bullish move for your GBP. So that is it. Secondly, is that I've added this 10 period moving average, which will guide us. Now we see that this price was below this 10 period moving average. One of the reasons why it was a sell movement, we were selling, but price later corrected itself, and we can now see that it is trading above this moving average. So that is to tell you that this is actually a buy movement. So as long as this price is trading above our 10 period moving average, then we still consider this move as a bullish move. So GBP card, this is clearly a bullish move. Now this price have actually gotten to a level where we very much likely to have a reaction at, which one of the reasons why we actually go to the weekly time frame. So we are now at the weekly time frame, right? Before you actually place your trade on the weekly time frame, you would want to ask yourself, what is the trend for this movement? So we clearly can see that this is an uptrend move. We are clearly seeing an higher highs and an higher lows. So let's see this way: a new highs, and here comes a correction, right? New highs have been formed here, and here comes a correction. Guess what? We've gotten now a new highs that have been made. So guys, watch out, a correction will be coming soon. Either we have it in correction this week or we have it next week. Above all, correction is coming. So I believe we should be able to have the correction this week. So GBP card, watch out for a correction, or watch out for a pullback. So if you don't have it this week, if price manages to close and open and close bullish this week, then by upper week, which is next week, we should expect that price to actually open and close bearish, thereby giving us a pullback. So that is it on GBP card. Now if you take a look at this moving average, you can see that this price is also still trading above our moving average. So clearly this price is still an uptrend move, so this is still a bullish move. Now take a look at this GBP card. One of the reasons why I'm telling you guys that we very much likely to have a pullback at this level is that price have once reacted to this level previously. We all know that once price have reacted to a level previously multiple times and price gets to that same level, we tend to see a reaction at that same level. So this is it here on GBP card. You can see that price have been reacting to this level, right? We saw price once came to this level, then it went up, it bounced up, came to the same level again, rejected, came to the same level, rejected, once again to the same level, rejected, and we see this price came to the same level again, rejected. Now this price is currently at this level, so this is one of the reasons why we should be watching for a pullback. It's that we have the pullback this week or upper week. So GBP card, right, we're very much likely to close bullish this week, and we're very much likely to close bearish. So just watch out for a pullback. I think the best time to actually jump on this trade to continue your bullish move on GBP card is to actually wait for a pullback. Once a pullback has occurred, pullback has played out, then you can go ahead to take your trade on this GBP card. Now let's see what this daily time frame actually says. So you can take a look at this daily time frame. You see the trend. This is clearly an uptrend move. We clearly can see an higher highs and an higher lows, right? You see price went up here, and here comes a pullback. Then we've gotten a new highs. Here comes a pullback, right? We've gotten a new highs that broke this previous highs, and here we've gotten a pullback. Now take a look at this huge massive impulse move upward. What should you expect next? Of course, you expect a pullback needs to be played out. Since we've added this huge massive movement, you should watch out for a pullback soon. So this is one of the reasons why we're very much likely to have a pullback this week or upper week. And you can still see that this price is still trading above our moving average. So this is very much likely still a bullish move and still an uptrend move. So if you want to view this price, you should still view it as an uptrend or a bullish move. Now let's take a look at this 4-hour time frame. Clearly you can see this 4-hour time frame, same thing. You can see an higher highs and an higher lows, and higher highs and an higher lows. So if in case anything will happen, we should expect a pullback at this level. So once this pullback has been made, which I believe will drop, well, then once it's dropped, we should expect a continuous bullish move on GBP CAD. So GBP CAD, we should expect a bullish move, but a drop needs to occur or play out before we continue the bullish move for the week.